All right. I'm here at Hydra-Cut. Second time ever being here on a fat bike. And the trails look good. Yeah, the trail looks beautiful. That's good. That's good. It's quite the drive for me to get here, so having good trail conditions in the winter is pretty important if you're going to commit that kind of a drive. I parked again over at the Snyder side because that's the side that looks like gets groomed, but I've seen some ride logs of people going over towards the Glasgow trails, so we'll see what I do today. I don't know how far I'll go. I'm also recording today on my old 360 camera. I want to try something different. We'll see how it turns out. All right. In the Godzilla here, I will not be doing the Godzilla drop on this bike, but there's enough tire tracks in here to ride it for sure. Ride the trail. Yeah, I'll definitely be rolling that today. Not dropping that on a rigid fat bike. But yeah, I'm using my old 360 camera. Want to try something different. This is rollable, so I will roll it. Whew. That's just too big of a drop for me on this bike. That's a much more size appropriate jump or drop as compared to Godzilla drop. Looks really nice in here with all the snow on the trees. Fat biking is can be such a beautiful time in the woods. Wow, look at this in here. Oh my god. Beautiful. I think my brakes have finally burned off whatever the contaminant was after the cleaning I did, because they're pretty quiet now, which is nice. And I can somewhat stop. I mean, yeah, I can stop. At the top at the kiosk, I took a look at Adam's Run, and some people have ridden it, but it isn't being groomed. There's like maybe one or two fat bike tracks going into it since the most recent snow. I don't think I would want to do that one on my fat bike. Same reason why I didn't want to do the Godzilla drop. The fun stuff on a rigid fat bike just can't be fun. We'll see. Actually, no, we won't. I am not doing it. I shouldn't say we'll see. I know I'm not doing it. Whoa. Almost bit it there. Holy cow. That was close. Let me try to get things back in control here. Oh, now my brakes are squealing. Right after I said they're quiet. I don't think I'm going to get air on any of these jumps today. Yeah. So, Blue Angel was the only one who that looked like it had tire tracks. Well, I should say that. Going past Blue Angel in the dyno trucking flow zone to get to dyno trucking and Captain Crunch did not show significant tire tracks. So I just took Blue Angel and it was okay. Ooh, I don't think I'm gonna try that. I could try that actually. It looked worse from far. So a lot of the advanced trails don't look like they've been groomed or even ridden much. Like CP Rail had footprints, no tire tracks. Not surprising. I mean, trails like that would be really hard on a fat bike. Just the steep climbs that trail has. It'd be tough. I don't know about yeah, I don't think so. I'm riding alone, so I can't take any stupid risks. Never ridden a wall. I don't think I've ridden a wall ride on my fat bike. Yeah, I don't think I've ever ridden a wall ride on my fat bike. Can't think where I would have. Oh yeah, I'm over on the Glasgow side. Stinky Girl. See what's I mean, it's been ridden actually quite good. I don't think it's been machine groomed, but it's been ridden enough. So, just going on a little bit more from my last video, well, not my last video that's been uploaded, but the last video that I recorded, the 2024-2025. Just talking a little bit more about 2025. I said in that video that I'm more than just a mountain biker. And obviously I'm more than just a mountain biker. But what I meant is mountain biking is definitely my passion when it comes to, or my primary passion. I just like bikes. As a kid in the 80s, I was on a BMX bike. Never raced, never did anything crazy, but rode my BMX bike everywhere. Since then, again, mountain biking is definitely my favorite. But I've done road cycling, gravel riding. Ooh. I even did a couple of seasons, winter seasons, at the Velodrome in Milton on the track with a few of my friends. I just like, being on two wheels. I love the adventure of being on two wheels. I want to do more than just ride the same Southwest Ontario trail systems over and over again. I want to share adventures. And so I hope this year to do a little more of that. Ooh, tree down. Yeah, I hope this year to be able to do a little more of that. Put a little more sense of adventure into my videos. And the thing about adventure is you never know where it's going to take you. So we'll see. We'll see how these videos turn out. In 2024, one thing I did do differently on the channel was upload all the race videos from the enduro races that I did. And I really enjoyed that style of racing. I really enjoyed racing again. I probably will sign up for a few. I don't think I'm gonna try to do the whole enduro series. Actually, I can tell you right now, I'm not going to do the whole enduro series. But I don't know if I do race this year. I don't know if I'll video them, GoPro them. My race videos didn't get a lot of views. And not that I'm in it for views, but the number of views does matter to me a little bit. My channel is not monetized. I'm not making any money. It's not what I'm trying to do. I enjoy this. It's a hobby. But they didn't get a lot of views, and the taping of the races certainly was a bit of a distraction from my race. Like, I was always thinking, okay, make sure the camera's on. This, that, the other thing. So if I do race this year, I might not GoPro them. Unless people say, please do GoPro your races. Yeah, so I think trying to combine racing with GoPro or videography or whatever you want to call it, filming, didn't make for good video content, didn't make for great racing. So we'll see. I might get the itch again to race. I probably won't GoPro it. Oh yeah, I'm on Frankenstein now, and it hasn't been ridden as much as Stinky Girl, so it's like, gotta Gotta be a little more precise on your line choice here. Ooh. Woo-hoo. Made it. I'm kind of glad when I come around a corner to a jump or drop or boulder feature like that and see no one's ridden it, because that means I don't have to. Made it. It's kind of how hills have been on this trail. Close your eyes as you go down and I hope you make it to up the other side. Yeah, I don't like big drops on my fat bike. It's quite a jarring landing. This trail's been awesome. Ooh. I'm not dropping that one up. Oh. Oh, that was good. I'm back over on the Snyder side. This is definitely the better side for winter biking here. They machine groom this or groom it some. Yeah, machine groom it. I've seen the Instagram pictures. I am staying with the Easy this year or today. Not this year, because I will definitely do the Sweet Street advanced section in the summertime. Yeah, it's cold, but it's turning into a beautiful day. Holy cow. Although the sun coming through with the shadows, I'm sure it's creating a lot of contrast, which makes it hard on the camera. Not jumping it today. Not with a very uncertain approach or a lot of speed. Ooh, no one's done that jump, so I don't have to. Little jump. Well, I'm on my way out. Only a few more trails left. I think 3, maybe 4. Hopefully it turns out well with my old 360 camera. I really do like some of the features of the 360 camera, particularly not having a static angle. Not having a static angle, meaning I can reframe the shot depending on if I'm going uphill or downhill, because sometimes I find with the GoPro in a fixed angle without a gimbal, you end up getting too much top tube sometimes, not enough forward looking. So I do like the ability to reframe the angle with the 360 camera. And then I also like the ability of going to portrait for Instagram and YouTube shorts. Although I've never done a YouTube short. But my preference is definitely long form videos on YouTube over Instagram. But I do like occasionally sharing shorter things. Like this right here. Look at, oh, this is beautiful. That might be worth an Instagram share. All right, we have Fluffy Bunny, and then the exit trail back out to Snyder's, and then I'm done. Yeah. Come on, you got it. Woo-hoo. All right, I'm not doing kamikaze in the snow. In fact, I didn't even check to see if there's tire tracks. If anyone is doing kamikaze in the snow, kudos, man. Not enough speed. I knew this hairpin was coming, but I thought it was sooner.
that was a very good ride at Hydro Crab. Again, this is my number one place in the summertime for Southern Ontario. I'm not sure it's my number one place in the winter, because a lot of what makes it so much fun in the summer is just not available in the winter. But it was a really good ride, for sure. I'm glad to go someplace different. It's only my second time here fat biking, so I'm pretty happy about that. Anyway, Boo kept me safe. Thank you, Boo, for keeping me safe. Happy 2025, everyone. And yeah, maybe I will see you out there.